Hello again, this is Al from Crystal Eye Care. My name is Al, and I put down my glasses and I'm going to show you how the Ptosis crutches work. So essentially, when you put them on, they exert pressure right on the top here. So I'll give you an example. I'm going to shut my eyes and I'm not going to exert any force to open my eye. So what I do is this, and then I lift them like this. As you can see, my one eye is a little bit more open than the other. We do the same on this guy. And now they both are open a little bit more. Now you can adjust how much you want. Now even when I'm blinking, if you notice, the eye is open relatively to the same position where I originally did. They will slide down every now and again. And this is actually a good thing. Ptosis crutches do have a disadvantage in which they can dry out your eyes. So the idea is to keep your eyelid open using the pressure from these crutches that are soldered on. If you have any questions, feel free to call or text 732-615-9300 or email us at crystaleyecarenj@gmail.com, and I'll be happy to answer any questions. Thanks. See you in the next video.